Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 sound not working. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking this video. Here are some steps to fix the issue of sound not working on Windows 11. Let's jump into video. Method number one is check your speaker output. To do that, you can see in the taskbar, just tap on this sound icon and you can see the brightness icon and sound icon here. You can see there is a small arrow in the right corner. Just tap on it. Make sure this is the correct sound output of the computer. If it is not, you can choose the which correct speaker and then it will be fixed. So if it is not working, you can go with second method. Second one is you need to run the audio troubleshooter. To do that, you need to press Windows plus I in your keyboard. It will be open settings menu. In the left side menu, make sure select it as system, and in the right side menu you need to scroll down until you find troubleshoot. Then you need to tap on it and go to other troubleshooters, and in this menu you need to choose the playing audio and you need to tap on run. It will be find the problem. Is there a problem with the audio? It will be checking the audio status and fix that issue. Yeah, you can go next with these speakers. You can choose the correct speaker from here, and yeah, this will be help to fix the audio issues on your computer. And this also not working, you can go with next methods. And third one is you need to check the Windows updates. Sometimes Windows update also affect to the audio problems because of the latest drivers. So you need to check this one using go to start menu, go to setting. In the left side menu you need to go to Windows update, and I post the Windows update, that's why it is show like this. In your case you will be find the button called check for updates here. You need to tap on it, then it will be check the latest update of your Windows version and automatically download those into your computer. Then after you can restart the computer and check again the sounds are working or not. So that also not working, you have to go with further methods. Next one is you need to update audio drivers. To do that, you need to press Windows key plus X in your keyboard. It will be open this kind of menu. You can go that using just right click on the start menu also. Then after you need to go to device manager. In here you need to find audio inputs and outputs, the first one. Double tap on it. Currently I have two microphone ports and one speaker port. In this case, if your problem is related to speakers, you need to right click on it, tap on update driver, and there are two options here. I like to go with first one. Just tap on it and it says the best drivers are already installed, so I'm going to back, and you can choose the second one, browse my computer for drivers, and again choose this one, and you need to select the correct driver from here, and then after you need to tap on next. Then it will be reinstall the speaker drivers on your computer. Then after you can check the audio are working or not, and if it is not working, you have to go with further methods. The next one is restart audio services. To do that, you need to press Windows plus R. It will be open run menu. In here you need to type services.msc. Tap on OK. This is the services menu. All the services are running on Windows. You need to find Windows audio from this list. You need to scroll down until you find W letter section. In W letter, yes, this one, Windows audio. Just right click on it and tap on restart. This will be restart the Windows audio service. Okay, the next one is set your audio device as a default. To do that, again you need to press Windows plus I in your keyboard. It will be open settings menu, and in the system you need to go to sound, the second one. Tap on it. In the output section, select your audio device set as default. just click on the speakers. Yeah, you can see these are my output devices. So make sure this is set as the default one. Currently I have only that one, so I don't have to make it as the default. You can check the sound using this sound bar, and you can find the input also here. I have two inputs. You can see it is working right now because I am talking, and you can find the advanced options here, volume mixer, all sound devices kind of thing. Make sure your output device set as your speakers. So yeah, then it also not work. You have to go with further methods. Next one is disable audio enhancement. To do that, again you need to press Windows plus I. It will be open settings menu, and you need to, under the system, go to sounds and click on the audio device. Just tap on it, scroll down a little bit. Okay, we are in the sound section. Just select your sound speaker device, and in this menu you need to scroll down a little bit. Then you will be find there is an option called enhance audio. Currently it is turned off, and make sure it is turned off. If it is turned on, you need to turn it off. Then it will be check. You can check the speaker is working or not. And these are the method you can find for fix your audio is not working on your computer. If all of these methods are not working, you have to check with the hardware check, because it will be most possible reason, that is your audio device has hardware damage. So you need to replace your speakers to make it working. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.